Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. I am super excited to dive into today's topic with you. Look, if you're a business owner, a founder, or really anyone managing a digital storefront, you absolutely know the grind of getting eyeballs on your page. But getting people there, that's kind of just half the battle. Today, we're focusing on a really cool, highly effective way to turn that passive website traffic into active, qualified, booked meetings using a platform called Zuvany. We're going to break down exactly how this AI works using details straight from their platform, and I'll show you how to essentially build a digital sales assistant that literally never sleeps. So let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why exactly are your website visitors just leaving? You're investing heavily in marketing, SEO, paid ads to drive this traffic. People land on your page, they poke around a bit, and then, poof, they vanish. We call this the silent exit. And the number one reason for this hesitation: they can't get instant answers. When potential customers have a question and don't see an immediate way to figure it out, they just bounce. They really don't want to wait for an email reply tomorrow. They want answers right now. And honestly, that gap between a visitor's curiosity and your team's ability to respond, that is exactly where revenue slips away.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First up, the silent revenue killer. Second, enter Zuvany AI agent. Third, how the magic happens. Fourth, tailored to your industry. And finally, plans and pricing.
All right, section 1, the silent revenue killer. For growing businesses, it is physically impossible, unless you have superpowers, for a human team to respond instantly to every single website visitor at all hours of the day. Because of that, really important leads just slip through the cracks due to slow replies or missed follow-ups. Without a tool like Zuvany, visitors leave with unanswered doubts. You're stuck dealing with slow replies, missing follow-ups, and losing leads. But with it, that paradigm completely flips. Visitors get instant answers. Leads are captured and qualified totally automatically. Every single inquiry turns into a real conversation opportunity. And this all happens while you and your team are actually focused on growth instead of just chasing cold leads.
Which brings us to section 2, enter Zuvany AI agent.
Now, let me be clear. We are not talking about just another one of those basic, frustrating chat widgets that sits in the corner of your screen. We're talking about a full-fledged, highly intelligent AI sales assistant built for one specific outcome: getting more conversations, qualifying leads, and booking meetings from the traffic you already have. Traditional chatbots follow these rigid, fixed scripts that break easily, right? But Zuvany is an automated, trained assistant. It actually learns your specific business context from your website and your PDFs. It reasons over that content to give highly accurate answers. It asks smart follow-up questions to qualify leads based on budget or intent. And get this, it can literally book a demo right onto your calendar without any human intervention at all. And the most crucial point, 24/7. Your agent is always active. It responds instantly at any time, whether it's super late at night, over the weekend, or right in the middle of your absolute peak traffic hours. It scales your conversations completely effortlessly. A single AI agent can handle hundreds of simultaneous conversations, which means zero leads waiting in a queue, and your team's workload doesn't increase by a single minute. But it's not just about time, it's also about reach. This thing supports over 100 languages. Your AI agent instantly detects whatever language a visitor is typing in and just responds natively. It breaks down global borders instantly, giving you native-level support for international prospects, and you don't even have to hire a massive multilingual customer support team. And this insane capability isn't even confined just to your website. Zuvany has a multi-channel presence, so it unifies conversations from your website, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, all into one single inbox. It even has voice-to-text integration, so users can just speak naturally and hands-free. It handles instant meeting booking right in the chat. And honestly, one of the coolest features, it offers AI smart business cards. Basically, you get a shareable QR code that you can slap on posters or physical cards at networking events. Someone scans it, and boom, they are instantly chatting with your AI agent to get qualified on the spot. Moving right along to section 3, how the magic happens. Now, you might be listening to all this advanced AI functionality and thinking, okay, this sounds incredibly complicated to build. Actually, no. It takes a maximum of 15 minutes for most users to go live. You absolutely do not need a developer to set this up. It was built specifically for non-technical users. If you can copy and paste a web link, you have all the technical skills you need to train this AI on your entire business. It is a remarkably simple 3-step process. Step 1, you just add your website. You enter your URL, and Zuvany's AI automatically crawls your pages, reads your content, and trains itself. Step 2, configure conversations. This is where you set your specific lead capture questions, drop in your calendar booking link, and set up your CRM integrations. And step 3, deploy everywhere. You just add the widget to your site or share the link and QR code across your social channels. That is it. 3 steps, and your 24/7 sales agent is live.
All right, section 4, tailored to your industry. So it's one thing to have a smart agent, but it actually needs to fit perfectly into your specific business funnel. The cool thing is, this agent is incredibly versatile across a bunch of different sectors. For instance, if you're in B2B SaaS, the agent answers feature queries and books product demos. If you're in real estate, it qualifies buyers based on their budget and instantly schedules site visits. In EdTech, it guides prospective students, explaining course fees and handling admissions FAQs. For healthcare, it provides patient assistance and books clinic appointments. And for direct-to-consumer brands, it actually recommends products based on visitor intent to help reduce drop-offs. No matter your niche, the AI just adapts to your goals. So where do all these leads actually go once they're captured? Well, it seamlessly syncs them right into the tools you're probably already using. Whether that's Google Sheets, Soho CRM, HubSpot, or Microsoft Excel, it uses direct integrations and webhooks. And hey, if you don't have a CRM yet, Zuvany actually includes its own built-in CRM, complete with contact management, deal pipelines, and task tracking. So it basically either perfectly complements your existing tech stack, or it gives you a completely new, streamlined one right out of the box. And finally, section 5, plans and pricing. We've seen the value, we've gone over the mechanics. Now let's bring total clarity to the investment you'd actually need to get this running. The AI's capacity scales perfectly with your business growth, and it's measured in AI agent character limits. The starter plan gives you a massive 15 million characters per month. As you step up to the Pro plan, that doubles to 30 million. And for scaling businesses on the Growth plan, you get 50 million characters. The whole system is really designed to just grow alongside your traffic, so you always have the bandwidth to capture every single lead. Breaking down the actual dollars and cents, the pricing is incredibly accessible. The starter tier is just $24 a month, which is perfect for solo founders who just want a website widget. The Pro tier, which is their most popular at $48 a month, is for growing teams and includes deployment across all your social channels. And finally, the Growth tier at $64 a month gives you the full workplace suite, including that advanced CRM we talked about. And what's really fantastic is that all the plans come with a 15-day free trial, no credit card required to start, and absolutely 0 long-term contracts. You can literally cancel anytime. They actually put their money where their mouth is. I'm going to read this right off their page. If you don't see at least one real demo call booked in your first 7 days, just stop using it. No hard feelings. I mean, that completely cements the confidence they have in their product's ability to generate immediate, tangible ROI from your existing website traffic. So, as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with one final, kind of provocative thought. Look at your own analytics. Think about all the traffic you've paid for, the visitors who browsed your site, couldn't find an instant answer, and just quietly clicked away. How many potential leads did you miss today? With tools like Zuvany, that whole era of the silent exit can absolutely be a thing of the past. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next explainer.